Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Cancer. So, topic of the reading is going to be the current energies of your person, whoever it is that you are dealing with. We are going to tap into their current energies. First, we will find out what is going on in their life, then we will see what do they think about you and the connection that they have with you, and then towards the end of the read, we will see what is it that they secretly wish to tell you. So stay tuned for all of that to come. But yeah, before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Cancer, let's see what is it that your person really wish. First we're gonna see what is it that they are heavily thinking about. What is it that they have, on their mind most dominantly? Be that about you, be that about something else. So we do have the King of Swords that wants to come up. Um, your person right now is somebody who's very clear and dedicated towards something. Be that in their love life, be that in their work life, be that in their home life. They know what do they want and they know exactly how to get it. So I feel like your person is right now very dedicated towards something. It can be towards you as well. Maybe they really want to pursue your connection without having any fear, doubt, without letting anything from the past hold them back. They are very sure they have everything that they want right now to pursue their dreams. So this person is really full on motivated to get what they want. Plus I feel like your person really has very much support coming from the people around them and the universe as well. So whoever it is that you are dealing with, they are definitely very dedicated to achieve their goals, be that in love, career, work, home life, whatever it is. They are dedicatedly working towards their goals. Let's see one more card. What else do they have heavily on their mind? Uh, Nine of Pentacles. I feel like your person is right now very self-centered. Somebody who knows what they want and who knows how to get there. They do have all the practical plans to follow their dreams as well. So this person is somebody who's very much practical in approach towards how they see their life. I don't know how they used to be in the past, but that's what they are right now. So let's see how do they see you, because maybe they are so dedicated to achieve you as their life partner. That could be the case for some of you as well. So let's see what is it that they have for you on their mind. What is it that they are thinking about you all the time? So we do have King of Pentacles. So let's see one more card first. Judgment. Wow. This person right now seems to be very much focused on themselves, to be very honest. Somehow, maybe you have rejected them in the past because of their financial situations, because of the lack of stability that they used to bring into your life. You could have said no to this person in the past because they were not sure about you. Maybe they were not sure about what they want with you. Maybe they had other people in their life back then. But right now, it seems like this person is in that position of their life, in that phase of their life where they know what they want and they know how to get it. Earlier things would have been different, where your person wasn't sure, they were not independent, they were not like financial stable themselves as well. Seems like when they think about you, they know one thing for sure: they have to be very stable emotionally, mentally, physically, and sexually as well before they could come to you to give you what you want. Because I feel like for some reasons maybe they have hurt you in the past and now they know that they want to make up for it. And how do they do that? By not repeating what they did in the past and by bringing something stable to you. So right now seems like maybe you are not on their mind right now. Maybe they want to achieve something for themselves before they could come towards you. I feel like for majority of you, maybe this person and you are in separation, and this person is definitely, for majority of you, is going to be somebody from the past, because this person seems to be like somebody who is praying that you don't go anywhere, you don't move on with your life, because they really want you in their life. Somehow they feel that they are not mentally, physically, emotionally prepared as of now, and until and unless they are prepared for that, until and unless they are ready to take charge of their love life, they are not going to come forward towards you. So they do want to be with you, but at the same time right now they might not be coming towards you, they might not be talking to you, they might not be like communicating to you the way they would want. because they want to achieve something for themselves before they could come forward. Let's see what else do they have on their mind. They will be starting something new with you very soon. Now if you see that your person is somebody from the past, maybe you wouldn't want to give them a chance, but trust me, this person is, this person, when they set their eyes on something, they always achieve that. If they know that they made a mistake in the past by treating you wrong, they will be making amends for that. They will be making things up for that, because it seems like your person really wants you. But yes, maybe earlier they were not mentally, physically, emotionally stable to give you what you wanted with them, but now they do know what the connection was for them and what the connection is for them. So they are going to uh, make your heart melt for them. They're gonna earn the love that they once kind of maybe ignored, or kind of took for granted. So let's see more cards here. Knight of Pentacles. This person really wants to come in with something stable to offer, because they are not going to come back until unless they have something stable to offer. So this person is definitely somebody you are not in touch with for majority of you, and this is somebody who's working on themselves right now. Until unless they are done with that, they are not going to come forward. Let's see what is it that they secretly wish to tell you. What is it that they really want to say to you but they don't? And maybe since you are out of communication, maybe even if they want to say that to you, they are unable to do so. Like I said, they might be trying to communicate to you through telepathic messages. You might be hearing their name. They might be sending you telepathic messages through your dreams, through other means as well. But yes, I don't think that this person will be taking any step towards you until unless they have commitment. If they until unless they have a commitment to offer, marriage to offer, or to make it official with you, like to the people around them, to their family, to your family. They are not going to come forward until unless they are ready for that kind of relationship. So let's see what is it that they secretly wish to tell you, want to say to you. I could see the Empress. Maybe they really want you to know that you are theirs. There are so many, so we're not okay. There are just 3 cards. Let's see what else do they want you to know. So we do have the Queen of Cups. They really know that they have really want you to know that they now miss the love that you once loved them. The way you once loved them, that's something that they miss in their life. For souls, they heavily think about you and only you. Then we do have Nine of Wands. They really want you to know that currently maybe they have their guards up around this situation, this connection that they have with you, but they will come forward. It's not that they don't want you, it's just that they are not ready and prepared to come forward, maybe to meet your family as well. There is one more thing that they really want you to know is they want you to know that this is not over yet. Maybe you feel like you are ready to move on. Trust me, this person, like I said earlier, this person is not going to let that happen. They will manifest you back in their life. That's what they want, because it's more like maybe they know that when they are going to reach out to you, maybe you also going to show them the tough side of you, but they are going to not going to give up on it. They will wait for you to soften up to them again. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading helped you to know about your person's intentions and the current connection right now, do like, share and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.